Another Belair. So the difference between that one. That little round jewel is there. It's the bluey sort of colour. Very cool. Very similar. It's got the passenger clock hit. Yeah, I kind of like these wheels more. One's a bit, oh no, it's good, but it's sort of just too it's a bit modern. Yeah. This guy's different. Huh.
Would you like to look in the car?
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. Oh, thank you. All right. Back to the first one. Very nice.
Yeah, it is a nice car. I don't drive it, I wouldn't touch driving it, it's too expensive.